Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to play Monopoly Go with friends on iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and try to play the Monopoly Go game with your friends with iPhone, so this is a step-by-step guide for you. So just go ahead and click onto the friends icon onto the bottom part of the screen, and to add them there are actually many options to do that. So you could do this through contact, wherein you could just go ahead and type in their number in there to directly invite them, or use the other option wherein you could go ahead and share the link with them. So once you have shared the link with them and they click onto this, they could register to play Monopoly Go, and you could go ahead and play with them through their iPhone. And that's just basically it onto how to play Monopoly Go with friends on iPhone. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.